Hello, hi friend, welcome. Let us see the Elon Musk's 100 skills and the qualities which stands out himself in the whole world as a unique person. What are those 100 skills and the qualities or attributes which makes Elon Musk Elon Musk? Elon Musk don't want to become anybody else but he is Elon Musk. So the number one, he is a visionary thinking. He has a big visions. That's what visionary thinking. Strategic planning. He planned the things in such a way that output oriented strategic planning. Number three, the risk taking. He takes a lot of risk. That is definitely. No doubt two his rockets get busted, but still he taken the risk for the third and become successful. Innovation. Tesla is the best example of the innovation or the retrievable rocket. That is best innovation. Reusable, recyclable things. Problem solving. Elon Musk is a problem solver attitude. That makes him indomitable with anybody else. He says, I know this is not going to work. I want to prove that it's wrong by testing, by doing the things and make it workable. Technology and technical proficiency. If you don't know something, he start reading the books, start reading everything. And he says, YouTube's trillions of the data is a big university, open university. Those who understand, they can use it. Number 7, engineering expertise. He has studied the engineering, physics, and many things, aspect of the products, and that's what. Once you start doing it, you'll get the expertise. Entrepreneurship. Whatever you do, whatever he thinks, think as a part of the entrepreneur mindset. Leadership. He is one of in the whole world. If somebody says who is one of the leader in the industry, is Elon Musk. That's what. If the people talk about you, that's what the leadership. Resilience. He remains resilient in any kind of situation. Stay consistent there. That's how he goes ahead. Adaptability. Adapt to the market, adapt to the situations, and create the things which becomes flexible and adaptable. Persistence. Persistence is one of the factors which keeps someone keep going. Doesn't matter how many failures you get, millions or 10 millions. That persistence is a key factor. Creativity. Whatever you do with the creativity as an aspect in it. If you make something creative, dull things also become more interesting. Critical thinking. Between the failure and the success, what is the one thing that's remained? That is a critical thinking. Somebody believes, somebody see this thing can be successful. That's what the critical thinking. Futurism. If you are full of with the future ideas, the future vision and futuristic view, then definitely you bring so many new products automatically or the innovations. Systems thinking. This system thinking is very important in any product design, business running and everything. The success is nothing but it is a systematic approach of the systems working that get result in the success. Resourcefulness. Be useful to anybody, anywhere, or to yourself. Being resourceful is very important. It means your mind is open. You always think, I can be help of anybody else or to myself also. Determination. Determination is one of the key which makes you keep going with the determination, because the person without determination, if walking, might be his speed is one time, but the person who has determination and he walks, his speed will be 4 times more. That is the difference. Communication. You should communicate very well what exactly you want, what exactly you are expecting. That's what to the point communication is very important and straightforward. Charisma. Charismatic behavior. Many people don't have this, but some people have this one. Charismatic way of telling the things or driving the atmosphere, creating the vibes around you. That is charismatic behavior. Decision making. Taking the decisions is a key. If you have the thousands of the options, which is the best decision, but still you need to take the decision. That capability and the quality of taking the decision is a key. Negotiation. You should be able to negotiate the things. If you don't ask, the answer is always no. That's what the negotiation. If you don't negotiate, the answer is always no. So you must negotiate the things in order to get the better things, innovative things, and much affordable, reasonable things. Time management. Why the time management is a key and what is importance of it. Everybody in the whole world have the 24 hours. The person who use the 24 hours to work like the hundreds of the hours in one day, that is called time management. If you spend the time you never get it back, then how to use the time effectively and efficiently, that keeps you different and stay ahead. Attention to detail. It's not always thinking about the big things and big visions, but how about something in the detail? If some problem happened at the lowest level, how you understand that detail, what exactly happened, what should be the solutions. Those are the things. Focus. If you have the right focus, the right direction, that brings the solution halfway already. If you are focused on the problem, solution is just the steps 1 2 3 4 and you will get the solutions. It's like this one. Without focus, your mind will wander here and there, and there is no way to get the solution. So without focus, there is no future, or there is no focused achievement and the outputs. Ambition. You should need to have the ambition. Without ambition, you don't have any motivation to go ahead. Why you go? If you don't have the, you are not ambitious. What is the reason you want to go ahead? No reason, right? So the ambition is one thing which keeps the person waking up early, doing the things and exceed himself. Drive. You should drive yourself. If somebody else is driving you, it's not the drive. It is just the pushing. Drive happens from inside. If you drive yourself, you can drive others also. The person who knows how to drive the things, he can drive himself, he can drive the teams, he can drive the organization. Passion. What is a passion? Passion is one thing which you likes. It is a ikigai. It is one of the attributes in the ikigai, which is a Japanese term. What you like, what's your passion, what you can do at the best, like this. Self-motivation. If you want to do something, just do it. You don't need somebody else to tell you what is motivation to do that. Just get it done. Strategic partnership. Partnership is one of the key to get the success at the very first pace. So the strategic partners, the winning partners, makes the sense in the businesses. Networking. You have to have the big network. Connect the right network is key. Financial acumen. You should understand the financial aspect of the business, aspect of the product, aspect of the people, and the financial aspect of the time also. Market analysis. You should be able to have the knowledge to do the market analysis, to at least understand how the market works, what are the things there. By seeing the things visually, you should be able to do the analysis. Number 34, forecasting. You should be able to forecast the things. If you forecast the things, means you see what problems I can able to get, what are the things I can able to achieve more, what are the things I can innovate in the future. So that is what the forecast. What will be your business in the next 10 years, 20 years? Where will be the market? So that is key. Forecasting is key, which makes you more alert, more attentive to the situations ahead. Rapid prototyping. If you want to do something, Rapid prototyping is one of the best thing you should do it. If you think any ideas, concept, just do it. Make it and see it. Work or no work. If it don't work, throw in the dustbin. But if it works, you have the first chance to take it ahead. The rapid iteration. For example, if you made some product, it's failed with the rapid prototyping, make the another very rapid iteration of the same with the improvement. So that's how you can get the better and better and faster the things. Agile methodology. You should not be the rigid or the fix. If on the fly something needed to change, you should take the decision to change it and get the still the results out of it. That is what called the agile flexible. If there is a huge storm in the area, the big trees get collapsed. The reason because those are fixed and very rigid. Those are with the small trees with the flexibility, they remain sustained. Product development. If you think about the product development, any idea as a product or the business, then you always consider the end-to-end process. And that is one of the very key product development aspect you must know in everything. Project management. Product development cannot happen without the project management, because if one step is untrackable in the project management, whole product development gets screwed up. So project management is one of the very important skill. Team building. You should able to build the very bright, talented and the smart teams with you. The reason because these are the teams who make the things happen very fast. So that's what the team building is very important. Talent acquisition. You should able to gather and acquire the talented peoples in your organization, your network. That is the key. Talent retention. It's not just about getting the people, but retain the people with what they want. It's not just always about the money. It's about the passion, their things, what they want to do. Do they have the things? That's how retention is key. Empowerment. You should empower the people, empower the network, empower the products. That's very important. Delegation. There is only 24 hours in one day. One person can work whatever his capacity, but if you learn the skill of the delegation or the delegate the task, the thousands of the tasks you can able to do with the delegation skill. That is very important. Mentorship. You should able to mentor anybody, somebody, anywhere, because mentorship is a skill that you tell the things in a way the other person understand. That is a huge skill. And the best mentor can also be a best mentee. That's what being mentorship is very important. Coaching. You should able to teach or coach the others. Public speaking. In the public speaking, you should able to learn how to speak publicly. Be yourself. Learn those skills. Influence. Your influence makes the things of the people. So influencing character comes with passion, determination, so many other factors. So influencing is also one of the key Elon Musk has. Reputation management. Elon Musk know what to talk, what to not talk. He is very, very keen and know how to manage the reputation. I still remember when the Elon Musk was in Shanghai, there was a very big meeting with all the employees after building the $1 billion plant there. Somebody asked him on one song, can he dance? This guy, he taken the coat away and he dance it. Whatever the dancing, do it. That's what he know, how to keep the reputation. That's very important. Crisis management. If there is a big crisis, how to manage the crisis is a key. Risk management. You should be able to identify the risk, and if the risk comes, how to manage the risk. That's a very important factor, whether personal life, professional life, or the business. Emotional intelligence. You should be emotionally strong to keep yourself stable, agile, and flexible. Whatever the storms come, emotionally you should be stable enough. Adaptation to failure. If some failures come, how to accept that failure and how to adapt to the situation and still make the better progress out of it. Learning agility. Are you able to learn fast or not, how agile you are, how fast you can learn. That's the key. Environmental consciousness. Whatever you do, you should understand what is the impact on the environment. That consciousness brings you to do the things which are good for the humanity, good for yourself, good for your company. Sustainability awareness. Sustainability is seeing ahead in the future, and you make the confidence that your business is going to be sustainable over the period of the next 10 or 20 years. That sustainability bring all those things you need to do in your business to bring the improvement, innovation, all those things which makes your things sustainable. Long-term thinking. If you think long term, that's what one of the things which help you to see what competitors cannot see. Seeing the long-term thinking and looking near, it makes the difference. The person who thinks the 20 years ahead, he will always have the more better solutions than the person who thinks just 5 years. Short-term execution. If you think the long term, but what is your short-term task and short-term execution has to be do, that immediately you should execute in the shortest and best possible way. Patience. You should have the patience all over the time. That is one of the very key aspect of the successful people. The people who have the patience, those who get the success. Open-mindedness. Are you open to learning? Are you open to talk? Are you open to listen the others' thoughts also? That open-mindedness is very key. Humility. You should be very humble in the nature, and that's what one key skill. Curiosity. Are you eager to learn the new things? Do you get the questions which you might don't have the answer, but still curiosity is one of the key which keeps the learning student inside always awake, and it keeps you always young. Versatility. How you are versatile in the whole atmosphere, in the network, in everywhere. That's key. Multitasking. Many people do one task one time, but are you able to do the multitasking at one time? Are you developed or acquired that skill? That's key. Multidisciplinary knowledge. The person who has a multidisciplinary knowledge makes it good to have the more beneficial upper hand on the person who has just one knowledge. Interdisciplinary collaboration. Collaboration is a key to increase the network, grow the network, and get the things very faster way done. Technological foresight. It's not just about your thinking or your work doing. What is the technological foresight? You should be able to guess and analyze the technologies, what can be in the future, how the technology is going to change, how you can use that technology for your own things. Scientific literacy. Are you aware about the scientific literacy? Do you know the scientific concept? At least the basic and the fundamental, that's makes. Mathematical proficiency. Do you understand the statistics? Do you understand the mathematics? It's important. Mathematics is a game, between the minus infinity to the plus infinity. Immediately within 1 second, you know this whole spectrum which nobody has yet gone. So that mathematical literacy, visibility, and proficiency is key. Data analysis. If anything comes in front of you, can you able to read the data? That is the key. The data talks much things for those who understand it. Computational thinking. Are you able to compute the data and think on it? That computational thinking is very important, which link with quantum computing also. So that thinking is very rational in this case. Automation. Do you understand the automation? If you can do the automation and the 10 hours job you can able to do in the 1 hour, why you want to spend the 9 hours to do that job? Who asked you to do that? Think about the automation. Because if there is only 24 hours in the life in one day, the person who do the automation, if the 10 people are working and that task take the 10 hours of the time of the one day, and one guy have developed the automation, he can save the 9 hours of him, but the other people still spending the 9 hours, right? So that is the value of the automation. Robotics. Can you able to take the robotics to your help, support you to do some of the job? It's not necessary always you should do the 100% your jobs. tech system help or robotics help. Artificial intelligence. AI is a key. AI will analyze the data, give the answers based on the data analytics and the forecast and foresights. You should able to use the AI systems, artificial intelligence to make the things better, rapid, faster, and smarter than the competition with the intelligent and data-driven approach. Machine learning. Machine learning generally deals with the very minute level problem-solving skills. Do you understand the real problem? What are the real steps to solve it? That's what the real machine learning comes into picture. Quantum computing. Who's computing at very faster rate? Com- Quantum computing is not yes or no. Quantum computing is yes or no or maybe. So that prediction is helping the quantum computing to give the so many decisions and reports based on the situation and the data. Aerospace engineering. Elon Musk has been known for his aerospace engineering develop the rockets in the very less time and with the very smart ways. Rocket science. He explored the rocket science in such a way that with AI, with data intelligence, with reusable, with all the things, he made the rocket science as one of the lucrative field which can go across the earth towards the Mars. Electrical vehicle technology, he pioneered in it. He developed the Tesla, world's most one of the premium reputable brand. So many technologies, so many innovations he has done. Battery technology also, he has explored so much thing in it. He's been very keen to share his technology and everything. Solar energy, he is also creating solar energy. So many things, innovations in it. Homes and so many storage systems. Renewable energy is also one of the things he is pioneering in it. Sustainable transportation. How to do the transportation in sustainable way, under the ground, over the air, so many things. Infrastructure development. How to develop the right infrastructure so that it helps the humanity to create the more value, save the time, so that from point A to point B it will be more time saving stuffs and creating the value and saving the money. Urban planning. How to create the urban planning in such a smarter way and better way. Hyperloop technology, Elon Musk has created one of the very interesting technology for the transportation. Neural interfaces try to connect the neural technology and the sense. Biotechnology, he has explored so many things in it. Neuralink technology connecting the human brain, thinking power, and how the things can happen. So brain computer interface, Elon Musk has explored so many things on the brains. Autonomous vehicles. Tesla cars are having the ADAS and the autonomous pilot in it. Many things. I also sit in the Tesla car, drives very good way. We cannot say anything is 100% okay, but still 90% we believe those. Yeah. Neural networks, genetic engineering, bioinformatics, creating the study in the data science analytics beyond the bioinformatics is key. Space exploration. Elon Musk is one guy who wants to put the community on the Mars. Having that vision itself is a great vision. To support that, definitely he is doing the space exploration programs more and more. Interplanetary travel, he talks on it, how to go from one to the another out of the space. Colonization of the Mars, he talks. Terraforming and global connectivity initiative, he created the Starlink, the internet, connecting the all over the earth. That's what is there. So these were some 100 skills and qualities of the Elon Musk which keep him ahead, which keeps him unique, which Elon Musk is Elon Musk. That's what he become that. So these were some interesting, amazing skills, technologies, what he has worked, what his skill set, what is his vision. So that's something great. So we know the 100 skills and qualities of the Elon Musk, what he do. So thank you very much, friend. We will bring another video with such marvelous, interesting skill sets, knowledge that share the value, creates the value, and brings the value to our group friends. Thank you very much. If you think anything, If there is any skills I have not put in this talk, please feel free to put in the comment box, or that will be considered. Thank you very much, friends. See you in the next video.